Rick ran out of gas on our way to the gas station within the first 30 seconds of getting on our motorcycles. No, I'm not making fun of you, dude. It's just straight reporting.
Whoa, look at this road. What do you think of this?
I don't know whether to go high or to go low.
Well, you have options.
Got some options.
This is just so deep. That is nasty.
So the first time we've stopped to really look at a problem is right now. It's just, we all know that you cannot tell from the camera how steep this is. But I'm gonna go down there a little bit. So just massive drops. What are you thinking, Rick?
Doesn't look too bad.
No, there's actually a path right here, huh?
Yeah, that looks fine. Break your ankle.
This is exactly
How it happens.
how it happens.
Steven's very upset.
No, don't film this part, dude. You know how I get. You know how I get when I just completely biff.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to myself.
Don't even talk to me, man. I can't even handle it right now.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to myself. But I did notice this skid mark. It started there and continued down there. And I'm talking to myself, but someone's clutch seems to have been bent backwards. Hope it doesn't snap off.
Yep, I'm not gonna hit it anymore.
so beautiful up here. It's like pine trees.
Yeah.
Like it looks like Eastern Washington, except we're
like Eastern Washington.
intermittent with these other weird trees.
We've had a bunch of small creek crossings. We're going up and over, crawling on rocks a lot. But then we get these quarter-mile stretches.
This last one was even longer. It's a couple
yeah,
miles.
Just
beautiful,
flowy forest riding. Really easy to zone out and just take it in.
And then there's the reservoir right down there. You can maybe see the water. It's more, I don't even know if it's a reservoir, but it's a lake, and we're gonna go try and find a campsite over there. Let's go down here.
Yeah, let's give these guys some space.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Splasher.
I don't want a camper that poop. What do you think? Good spot?
Yeah, maybe here.
Yeah. It's not the ugliest thing I've ever seen, so. This camp spot is one of the coolest camp spots I've ever been to.
Yeah.
Look at that. I did have a bit of a fall. See that? It's even raising up. See the bulge there? Getting up like a golf ball. Again, my shin squeezed itself underneath the handlebars.
Nice. Dude, the water looks great.
Oh, what? Is that a bomb?
There's a bomb right there.
Jesus.
God, that's horrible. That's super scary, dude.
Yeah, let's leave that one there. I wonder if there's someone we can like report that to. Wow, look at this.
I've got the in-flight pillow.
Yeah. That worked well.
Oh.
Nice. Okay, dinner for tonight. Again, cashews. And then we have these cookies from Common Ground.
Oh, no, we got more.
More Lao Lao, thanks to Steven. More Lao Lao. And we do have a sunset for dinner, which is nice. This is probably one of the coolest camp spots I've ever camped at.
Amazing.
The only drawback is the bomb right over there on the other side of that rock. Would you agree?
Yeah, dude.
That's the only drawback. Let's go visit this bomb real quick.
We got ham and mustard sandwiches coming up too.
I actually forgot about the bomb. I was walking on this rock. Forgot all about it. It's right there. Jeez. Okay, here we are. Starting to pack things up. Great night's sleep last night. Actually, that's a lie. It wasn't that great. It was
loggers were cutting wood all night long.
No way to push.
You didn't need to push.